With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is give an appropriate term defined by the statement given. The tendency of an atom to attract electrons towards itself when combined in a covalent compound. So in this question they have given us a statement and we have to choose a term for this statement. Now the statement is the tendency of an atom to attract electrons towards itself when combined in a covalent compound. So the term given for this statement is electronegativity. Electronegativity. So electronegativity is the tendency of an atom to attract electrons towards itself. So in the periodic table, as we go from left to right, the number of shells remains the same, but the number of electrons increases. And if you see in the rightmost side of the periodic table, we have halogens. They have 7 electrons in their outermost shell and they only require 1 electron to complete the noble gas electronic configuration. So it is very easy for them to attract 1 electron towards themselves and complete the octet. So that's why these halogens will have higher electronegativity as compared to any other atom that is present in that period. Okay, so because they require only 1 electron and they will readily accept that 1 electron to complete the octet, whereas in the left side of the periodic table we have the alkali metals that have 1 electron in their outermost shell, and instead of adding 7 electrons to complete the octet, they will lose that 1 electron to attain the noble gas electronic configuration. So these elements, they won't be readily accepting electrons, but they will be readily losing electrons for completing the octet. So electronegativity increases as we grow as we go from left to right, while as you go from top to bottom, the number of shells in the atom increases, but the number of outermost electron remains the same. Because of that, the size of the atom increases. Because of the size of the atom has increased and also the number of shells has increased, the incoming electrons will face hindrance by the increased number of shells, and it will be very tough for the atom to accommodate that incoming electron inside it. So that's why since the number of shells increases as you go down the group, then electronegativity also it decreases, because the increased number of shells, they provide hindrance to the incoming atom. So that is a trend of electronegativity in the periodic table. Here they are saying that so now, as I said, the groups that are the atoms that are present in the right side of the periodic table are more electronegative. For example, if I take the example of any halogen, like we have chlorine. So here they are saying that the tendency of an atom to attract electrons toward itself when combined in a covalent compound. So if you combine this chlorine with hydrogen to form HCl, they share 2 electrons in this bond. Now what is meant by electronegativity is that since chlorine is more electronegative amongst the 2 elements present here, when the bond is cleaved, the chlorine will have the tendency to attract the other electron as well towards itself. So it will take its shared electron towards itself anyways, but it will also have the tendency to attract the other electron towards itself. So that is what is electronegativity, and here the one word or the term that they were asking for was electronegativity. So that is the explanation for the question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.